So everyone's been asking me what I did bring to Belize on my 1-week trip with one personal bag for the plane. So here's what I did. I kept it kind of minimal in terms of the color palette with vibrant pastels, and it all mixed and matched, including the outfit that I wore on the plane. So you saw in the last video, I wore that beautiful butter yellow zip up. Here's what I wore with it. So I chose this super luxurious and soft pant. This is by MPG, really silky, stretchy, uber comfortable. I knew I could wear that in the evenings on the vacation as well, in the lighter palette. A really lightweight t-shirt, which was gonna be my one t-shirt for the whole trip, in this gorgeous hydrangea blue. Then I threw over that butter yellow zip up. So that was my plain outfit. For my bag, so I had my black backpack. That was my personal item. And then this was my little bag over my body. So it's where I put my wallet with all my ID and my passport here in the front. So everything was really easy to access and also in this nice light color. And we always have these kind of bags in black and in taupe and different colors for your travel needs. So then I needed one short that was going to do everything, which is this super lightweight gauzy short by Ichi in this same beautiful hydrangea blue. So it packs up so small and so light. And I knew it'd be great over my bathing suit. I knew I could style it with my t-shirt, and then I needed a basic tank that would go with everything as well. So I just did a white rib tank by Gentle Fawn. And so I could wear that just simply like this, or go with the all blue kind of vibe, which was actually really cute. So my fun printed piece was these short overalls by Indieva. I knew I was going to be going ziplining. I knew I was going to go in a boat on like a little river journey, and I needed something really lightweight and quick dry. And I ended up living in this the most. So throwing it over my bathing suit, just with my little 2-piece underneath. And it worked for like happy hour. Again, as I predicted, it was very casual, and being with my kids, we were really active. So I could even wear this paddleboarding, and I just knew it was gonna dry in 2 seconds. And it worked well with the other vibrant pastels that I chose. So sometimes I threw on that white basic tank underneath, and sometimes I threw on the beautiful hydrangea blue underneath. But honestly, most of the time I threw over my bathing suit. So for my bathing suit, I did a 2-piece. I wanted something poppy and punchy in color because I knew I was going to peek it under those overalls and with the shorts. So I went with my fig ribbed high-waisted bottoms and this really sporty top. So I went for a sportier look instead of something really sexy and minimal because I was with my family and I knew I'd be really active. So I don't want to be shifting around and things falling off. So I love how that orange popped right underneath this. I often wore that to happy hour and it worked really well. And then lastly, I brought one dress. And one dress was enough. It really did work. It was lightweight, breathable, this fun coral color, has pockets, which I often needed to throw my phone in because I wanted to take pictures wherever I went. And I wore this with my sun hat and it dressed up beautifully for breakfast and for lunch. And I really did appreciate that it was off the body. In my closet, I was looking at other fitted options. And then you've got like the lines of your bikini underneath and just more concerns. And this just felt really easy and did function perfectly. In terms of my accessories, I knew I needed one necklace that was just gonna work with it all. And I basically left this on the whole time. So this is the waterproof collection. You can wear it all the time. And it just has this really nice toggle detail, which you can wear to the front or to the back. It looked great with even my casual pieces, like just that tank, that little short, the dress, even the overall. And then lastly, sunglasses. And this was like a last minute, like, oh, I better throw some of those in. And they ended up being so key. Like we're just not used to the bright sun when we're in the winter. So right away I put them on and it added a lot of style and layer to my otherwise very simple pieces. So I love these ones by Mercury, $28, you cannot go wrong. Full UV protection and just a great little accessory that I wasn't so concerned if I forgot. So I hope this helps with you packing for your trip, especially if you have to keep it so minimal like mine. And it's also just easier for your brain to sort out on the trip. You don't want to be worrying about putting these outfits together. Narrow it down, pick that kind of capsule collection of color and of fits that will work for all of the scenarios in your trip. Lots of things coming in day to day now leading into spring, so we're here to help for your travel needs.